Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super helpful video to any of you guys trying to find fuse relays for the safety restraint system, also known as the airbag guys system on GMC Sierra, that generation from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find that fuse relay. By the way, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This video is not a how-to video guys, because you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, even if you're just checking or removing a fuse as well guys. If you don't know what you're doing, airbags can cause injuries and death as well. So now this video is not a how-to video, this is for entertaining purposes only. Quick reminder for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbag system: disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, even if you're just checking the fuse, and make sure you know which battery terminal to disconnect first and reconnect first, otherwise you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. If you guys need to buy replacement parts too, we'll share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the safety restraint system, also known as airbag fuses and relays, where we have them on that GMC Sierra here. By the way guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra. Today we're working one of them. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it can save you a lot of money guys. We need to open the passenger door first. Here on the side of the dash, on the passenger side, you see this is a cover guys, and if you pry that one you can remove it, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Let's go ahead, zoom in a little bit. 2018 models may have a little bit different fuse boxes. There will be very minor differences, but specifically for that fuse will be the same for all years. And the fuse that we're going to check now here guys is known as fuse number 23. It's that double fuse guys, that's a double fuse. It's a micro 3-blade fuse, really hard to find replacement ones, that's why we'll put the information in the description of the video below where you can get it from. What about a relay? You don't have the relay guys. The relay portion practically is controlled by the airbag module. That fuse is known as a relay fuse, that's the only thing that you will need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.